never enough. Even if I try too hard. Tell me what to do, say.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are doing well and I hope you guys are happy. In today's video, we're pretty much going to be discussing all things home decor. I've actually been waiting on some things for the last 3 weeks. That's why you guys haven't received any home decor update videos for me. But we have purchased little things here and there. So I want to definitely show you guys some of the things that we purchased. And some of these items are actually sprucing up our home. We just got a delivery. Now this is my mom's bed and it's a plant that we were missing. I guess Amazon sent it to the wrong address. I bought 2 plants, so we finally got the second one in. I'm super excited to show you guys just some of the updates, which is my mom's headboard. And I'm like super excited to start like getting her room to feel like her, you know, just to feel cozy, comfortable. You know the vibes around here. Like we have that lax vibe. I want to feel like home when I'm in my home, and I want it to be beautiful at the same time. So I'm super excited to open that. We'll probably open that together a little later. I also picked up another I think it's called Paradise of the palm tree. I picked up another tree of those because I actually need to pick up 2 more. I love those trees and I have different areas of the house that I want them to go in. So I'm super excited to show you guys what it actually looks like and do the unboxing with you, and we'll do that towards the end of the video. Now this is going to be a super casual vlog, so go ahead and bundle up by the fire and let's go ahead and get started. All right, so one of the first items that we purchased for our living area, just to kind of start in here, you guys have already noticed that we have it, so it's not a secret at all. We did decide to go ahead and get the Ottoman from Ashley's Home Store. Also, every item in this video will be included in the description bar down below. You can find the links there. I also try to include some on the screen so you guys can see how much they are priced at. I told you guys in a previous vlog, if you haven't checked out my vlogs, make sure that you do. But I told you guys in a previous vlog that I was gonna go to Ashley's Furniture and see if I can find that Ottoman that they had pictured with this sectional. And when I say, you guys, I hate to do magazine straight to your living room, but this Ottoman was definitely worth it. It's extremely durable. We sit on this Ottoman, we get extremely comfortable on here. If you're looking for something that's more of a tufted style, I wasn't sure if I wanted to go with the tufted Ottoman, but once I was in the kitchen just kind of trying to get a feel of the area and I seen the bar stools were tufted, I said it's a no-brainer. So this matches perfectly. It matches the aesthetic. The color is very muted. It's grown, and I don't know, it's more of like a suede feel, like a soft polyester feel, I guess you would say. This was definitely worth the money. Now the Ottoman is extremely affordable, and I say it's affordable in a range would, if I seen someone put their feet on this, I wouldn't be upset. We use this Ottoman as a seating area. We use it to place our feet when we're just sitting here chilling. Me and my husband chill in this spot very often. And when I say the Ottoman is very durable, I think if you're looking for an Ottoman that's extremely large, tufted, gray, and durable, this is the Ottoman for you. So I'll definitely link everything that you see in this video down below if you guys have any questions on how much it costs and where it's from. So I know you guys have already seen my dedicated video for these chairs. If you haven't, I'll definitely make sure I link them down below and tag them in this video. But that's another new thing that we've actually added to the formal living are these black wingback chairs, as well as this beautiful tree. Now this is the Paradise of the Palm leaf tree. I believe that's what it's called. I'll definitely tag it down below so you guys can know and remember that everything is linked in the description bar. But I really like this tree. I originally bought this tree for the office and I sat it in here while we painted the walls in the office. However, I like how this looks in this area. This is a small nook in the formal living. So what I plan on doing is getting a console, getting some wall art and having something to decorate the console with. But I also wanted some lights in here as well. I do want to actually go and purchase some real plants here soon. However, for the time being, I'm definitely going to do faux plants. I'm a faux plant kind of girl because I'm not sure if I have the greenest thumb. My husband, he has a green thumb, so we're actually going to go and take a day because we want some real plants to purify our air inside the home. There's an actual fly flying around, so if you see it, it's a guest right now. Okay. All right, you guys, so that was all of the new home decor items that I haven't mentioned to you guys in a vlog yet, and I definitely wanted to show you guys. So hubby is actually about to take mom's headboard back to her room, and just realistically and right now, real time, I'm not sure if I'm comfortable showing her room without it being decorated yet. I don't know why, it's just the me in me, okay? But in the meantime, what I'm going to do is actually unbox that new tree that we got in the mail today so that you guys can see how it comes, and also so that you can see how to actually shape and form it, because it does come straight up. So don't let that discourage you. It does take a little bit of time of you shaping and forming the tree, but I guarantee you're gonna love it. I'll make sure to put the tree that I actually bought in the description box below, and if you guys have any questions, definitely leave them in the comments. Let's go ahead and get started.
The best in me, yeah. I don't want these problems. I know I got a lot of work to do. Baby, I'm not perfect, but I know.
So guys, this is what the headboard ended up looking like, and I am absolutely in love with it. My mom loves it as well. And this is what the tree looked like next to the headboard. It's not going to be too far away, so I wanted to give you guys just a little visuals. So I hope this video did encourage you to subscribe. If you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it. And as always, remember to stay safe, spread love, and always be kind. I'll catch you on my next video. Bye.